The chartered accountancy profession is continuously evolving. A key part of this evolution is equipping professionals with relevant purpose-driven competencies, encompassing knowledge, skills, acumen, values, behaviors, and attitudes.
Today, it's about more than just technical expertise and numbers. It's about demonstrating in-demand skills and making a real difference. SAICA is dedicated to developing professionals who become responsible, ethical leaders.
One of the ways we achieve this is through our competency frameworks designed to future-proof CA's SA by fostering ethical leadership, sustainable value creation, and integrated thinking. These leaders can analyze and influence information to make a lasting impact on society and the economy.
CA's SA are catalysts for change, dedicated to enhancing their roles across various sectors. They focus not only on the financial health of the economy, but also on addressing the needs of businesses and society, advocating for a wide range of stakeholders.
By upholding ethics, championing sustainability and innovation, SAICA is future-proofing and mentoring the next generation of difference makers, leaders who act with purpose, passion, and expertise.
In today's ever-changing business landscape, fostering a culture of lifelong learning is essential to equip leaders with the skills needed to stay ahead and drive progress. Leaders who care and influence beyond the profession.
As we celebrate 130 years in the profession, we remain committed to making a meaningful impact, enhancing its appeal and championing diversity, inclusion and equity. Our goal is to build a sustainable profession that contributes to society both locally and globally.